Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Patapon on PC step by step. Start by installing an Android emulator such as BlueStacks or LD Player, then update it and sign into Google Play. Next, allocate enough CPU and RAM inside emulator settings and enable virtualization if available. Finally, download Patapon from the Play Store or sideload the APK and prepare to map controls for a smooth rhythm experience. Configure controls carefully to match Patapon's tight rhythm demands so you can maintain consistent timing. Assign the beat commands to nearby keyboard keys and consider using a gamepad for reliable presses. Tweak the emulator's input delay or key repeat settings if you notice missed beats. Spend time practicing sequences in a safe stage to build muscle memory and avoid frustration during longer missions and boss fights. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more guides. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite makes for great downtime reading when you need a break from grinding Patapon stages. Check the description for the product link and current deals so you can pick one up if interested. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Optimize graphics to balance clarity and smooth gameplay so rhythm input feels responsive and reliable. Choose a resolution that fits your display and lower effects if frame drops occur, since stable frames beat flashy visuals for timing accuracy. Experiment with VSync or frame limiters to see if they reduce microstutter on your system. Once performance is steady, your focus can stay on drumming commands and army management during missions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.